So this leg of the trip, you rode in and sent me to Baltimore, to the kind of places we love doing on Triple D. A big, shiny, family-owned diner serving homemade everything from everywhere. Hey, welcome to the Broadway Diner.
Pork chops, Romano, shrimp creole, veal parmesan,
Cheeseburger deluxe.
Salad with swordfish. Very good.
puttanesca, meatloaf.
Shrimp creole, not too spicy, it's just perfect.
Oh, yeah, that looks hot.
What is that?
Open hot beef sandwich with French fries and gravy.
Just one of the reasons Jonathan Gorbeck emailed to tell me I gotta check this place out and see why his whole family loves it. Give me some knuckles.
This is the place to go.
This is the place to go.
There you go.
You feel like they're family.
With good reason.
Everybody good?
Everybody good.
Turkey, please.
Owner George Kavourakis
Give me that turkey over there.
runs the place with his daughter
Thank you.
Pancakes.
and nephew
Cheese omelet.
and wants everyone else to feel
Oh, my goodness.
right at home.
They have everything you can think of.
We got nice fresh lobster, we got some wonderful mussels.
Feast fit for a king, that's what I'd call it.
But George calls it
Broadway Festival.
All right, so a little olive oil goes down, throw some scallops in. Something you find in every diner as you travel on the country. Nice lobster tails.
I'm gonna throw the shrimp. I'm gonna throw the mussels, of course, right there.
Yeah, this is the seafood buffet for 90. Everybody's starting to pop open.
Now we're gonna go with the wine.
Like a magic show. You see that? You see how he stayed right in it? Run that on slow-mo for me. See what I said?
Got a little garlic, fresh tomato, basil,
Love where this is going.
salt and pepper.
It's a marinara you made, right?
Yes.
Calamari and laugh so it doesn't get tough. Because by the time they get served up, that calamari will cook in that sauce.
Right. The pasta over here, cheese, grilled cheese. Now we're gonna dish it out.
If I lived on an island and all we had to eat was seafood, I don't think I would get that much seafood. Look at that. Look at the juice. Look at the sauce. There's no way you could have done this any better. The pasta's al dente. I go to Italian restaurants across the country, I can't find pasta that's al dente. I have nothing to say, man, other than just wow.
Delicious, that's pretty much it in a word.
I couldn't eat that whole thing. How far did you get?
You're looking at it.
That's about it. That's the tap right there.
Let it go down.
And George has his own way of doing just about everything. Look at that. Like wrapping salmon in potatoes. So this might be one of the coolest things I've ever seen on Triple D. With sauteed spinach in a homemade scampi sauce. That is fantastic. The bust of Flavor Town just stopped off at the Broadway Diner.
The potatoes are crunchy and the spinach is sauteed great. It all comes together very nicely.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. And the party's just starting. George is even doing his own spices. The guy that tells me that he's toasting all the seeds, that's real deal Holyfield right there. Now this is going to be made for what?
I use it for everything, but that's for my Creole.
That looks like Mardi Gras. You're making the seasoning spice yourself, fresh veggies. I'd come here at 4 in the morning. And at 5, and at 6, and at 7. Which isn't a problem.
Yeah.
They're open 24 hours a day.
So you can come at like 3 or 4 in the afternoon and get breakfast and it's still as good.
So's the whole big diner experience.
That's exactly what I wanted this morning. For me coming here, it's a slice of America.
A slice George has been dishing up for almost 40 years. Since he came to the U.S. from Greece and started in the food biz as a dishwasher.
Eggs, scramble.
Still committed to the classic diner as a place anyone can count on.
They have everything you could think of.
For a good meal
It's a monster.
at a good price.
And they pile the food on the plate and you get your money's worth.
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The quantity is a bit overwhelming.
And it's always good. You can get Greek food, Mexican food, and there's always something delicious.
Goulash. Yep. Hungarian. Butter, little olive oil, boneless short ribs.
Take it off the bone. Look at all that marbling of the. If you cook this low and slow, it'll break apart, and there's tons of big flavor in that. Okay. Can't go wrong with butter, olive oil, and boneless short ribs.
We show the
Celery.
bell pepper, the red. I'm throwing the green. Spanish paprika. I'm gonna put a little bit of paste. My flour.
So you're gonna make a little roux with the fat that's already in there. A little wine. There you go. That's big bite style right there, baby. Ah!
Now we got it.
Little black pepper going down. A fortified tomato juice.
And I need a lot of chicken stock.
8 should do it.
Good. We cover the meat.
That bouquet garni stays down in there. Nice herbs. You'll be able to pluck that out later. And we're gonna let that sit there and
Sit there for 3 hours.
so we got a little pasta
pasta?
Goulash.
No, you said glass.
Goulash.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little butter, and this is a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna make a little nest like this.
Okay. Little sauce.
Oh yeah.
And melt in your mouth. It's delicious.
I like that delicious.
I bet I'm full already just looking at it.
Did you get enough?
Yeah. Oh, I'm taking it home.
Come here when you're hungry.
Just all of it has just been just dynamite. I can't thank you enough for the recommendation, man. You did good.
Thanks.
Now you're gonna drive the bus to Flavor Town.
I'm gonna drive the bus to Flavor Towns?
Yeah.
I will.